Hi guys, I'm back with another mini. So I have some full cover short round gel nail tips from Model 1 that I got off Amazon, and so that's what I'll be using today. And so this is a quick video just to do kind of like a quick Valentine's Day mani, or it could be year round, whatever you want to do. So I've already applied Madam Glam's the base coat and cured in my LED lamp, and I'm going in with the color Fantasy, which is kind of like a purple magenta color with tiny hints of sparkle or glitter in there. Really pretty. So I'm applying a thin layer to all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp. So here are the nails after curing the first coat. I'm going in with a Magnetic cat eye gel polish from Madam Glam. This color is Kevin, as part of their cat eye collection, and you can put this over black or whatever color you want, but I thought it was really pretty. I did a swatch stick when I did a video a while ago with some polishes, and I'm just applying that over the nail, and then I'm just using a magnet and just getting the effect that I want, kind of like that velvety type look. At least I think it looks velvety to me. And I'm just doing each nail individually. You want to make sure that when you do this that you do the nails one at a time. Like, you apply the polish, use the magnet to get the effect that you want, and then go ahead and cure it right away, because if you do all 5 nails then cure, the magnetic pieces in the gel polish will disperse back into the nail. And so here are all 5 nails. I'm going in with an alcohol wipe and removing the inhibition layer from the nails, because I'm going to go in with some nail stickers. Now, I was going to try I tried to do the little heart cat eye effect that it's going all over TikTok and things like that, but I couldn't get it to work. So this is my next best thing. I have some airbrush heart stickers, and it came in a pack, and I think I got it either off Shein or Temu, and they came with stars and some other shades. And so I'm just applying that to the nail, and I'm going to smooth that out. It kind of blends right on in with the nail, and you want to get that as smooth as possible. And if you left the inhibition layer on the nail, that sticker would just slide around and not stick very well to the nail. And so I'm just smoothing that out, and once I get the sticker placed, I will apply base coat on top of the sticker, and then I'll go in and top coat. And so I'm just trying to get the little it's not smooth because there's a little raised area in the sticker, and I do eventually get that out. So I'm applying my base coat with the nails, and I didn't shape them all the way to my nails, so they're a little wide on my actual nail itself, and you'll see at the end where I do put them on, but that's okay. I thought these were really cute, really subtle, not too much for Valentine's Day, but just enough. And so I'm going in with these little heart stickers. I kind of ripped that one a little bit in the upper left hand corner, and I'm applying the heart sticker to that will be my ring finger and the index fingernail. And so off camera I did have some caviar beads that were kind of the same color as the polish that I'm going to line the outside of both of those hearts with, and I thought it was really cute. And I did end up doing the pinky over, because that nail I had sized it a little too small for my hand. It was I could see my nail where it didn't go sidewall to sidewall. What am I saying? And coming up in the freeze frame, I did end up taking this sticker off because I couldn't get the ridge or the lump in the sticker off. I couldn't get it. Right there is where I could not get that to lay smooth on the nail, so I did end up taking that off and putting a new one on the nail. Y'all, I have to keep stopping the audio and starting back, because if I talk too long, I'll start doggone coughing. And so I'm just showing you little caviar beads. I thought that was really, really pretty. And so I applied, or you want to go ahead and apply top coat to all 5 nails and cure. And I did notice on my middle finger, right on the right side, I must not have coated it all the way with the base coat, because it was like a little ridge. I'll end up doing that nail over, because I do save these. And you want to make sure that if you use caviar beads, make sure that you top coat your caviar beads, or those little boogers will pop off. And no, I was not recording putting caviar beads around that hard, because that was tedious. Like, what was you doing? It was just but I thought it was pretty though. But and then they were sliding, so I was trying to get it cured and they end up moving. But you know, it is what it is. And so coming up is the finished look, and I do apply these with sticky tabs, and they lasted 2 days. So I did this set Sunday night, and I popped them off. Today is Tuesday, and I popped them off today because I got another set to put on. But if you guys found value, please like this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I thought these were really cute and simple, and subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting on? It is absolutely free, 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.